Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, remote vehicle start, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.